May the peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you. Today I will also bring you a free site. I mean, every time I tell you today, I will bring you a free site. As I told you, by 90%, all the videos here on the channel will be free sites. Today they will bring you a free site. The site is of course Russian, and the profit is in the ruble currency. The ruble is the currency of Russia. Let us translate like this with some of the website. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button on everyone so that you receive notifications of all new videos. I am here on the channel offering you free explanations for making money from the internet, so I ask you please, not an order, to subscribe to the channel to support us. Don't forget to like the video. As you have seen, you can profit from the site by doing more than one thing: watching YouTube videos, clicking on ads, or entering an opinion poll site, reading sermons with advertising banners. You can make advertisements, solve tasks, do all these methods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can earn money from this site, of course, other than the method of inviting friends, which means 9 ways. Of course, you will find a registration link on the site in the video description, inside the article, and in the first pinned comment. When you enter the site, it will open in front of you. On this home page, you will click on register a very excellent account. It will ask you, here is your name, here is your email, and here is your password. It must not be less than 6 letters. Write letters, numbers, and symbols. After that, you will click on a very excellent registration. This is how we entered the site. Concentrate. Stay with us on the site because there are steps. Very, very important. Of course, as you can see, I have converted the site to the English language. If you are afraid, click here and choose the English language so that you can use the site, or perhaps also the Arabic language if you do not know how to use the English language. But I always like to watch or work on sites in the English language. The first thing you will do is click on this gear mark, stop on it like this, and go down to the second option and click on it. Of course, this page will appear with your email and phone number, and as you do not see written next to them, I have been verified, I have been confirmed, so you will go here and verify your email and phone number. Okay, why is that? This is in order to know how to withdraw profits. In order to withdraw profits, you must have your account active. Of course, I have withdrawn from this site before. The first is people's payment proofs. These are all the payments that people have withdrawn from the site. But in order to see whether my payments or withdrawals remain, I enter the transaction like this, which is the personal account, the transfer history that you withdrew. I withdrew once from the site. It is 24 rubles. Now it is also available, 21 rubles. I can withdraw them from the site. Okay, how can I still work on the site? I knew how to register and activate my account and the phone number. You will click on earn money and you have 12, 3, 4 left, 5, 6, and so on, as we saw at the beginning. And I will click like this on job. These are tasks that you do, very, very simple tasks. You click like this, for example, on the first task. This will be translated into English, or we will translate it into Arabic. He will begin to explain to you the task or work that you are going to do, and then if you do not carry out the task, you will take the amount available, which is 1,502 rubles. These are very, very important things. If you implement them, you will get very, very, very good gains. Especially the job, which is the task, these things remain very, very profitable. Okay, if we click on browsing, we will go back to English. Sorry, what is the surfing? All that you do is here. You will click on this page like this. Start browsing will open for you a page with an advertisement for 15 seconds. So you are all that. What you do is that you wait for the next cam. We translate this into English only so that we know what is written here. You wait for the next cam page, or how many seconds after that. You step here to solve something like this, or you clicked on the number directly. He gave you the amount of the ruble and it was added to your account. We do this. Reloading it was 21 and now 22. The same goes for the rest of the ads. Very, very, very many ads with very, very, very many tasks. Okay, we will go to the easiest and what is possible for you. Finish it quickly and then direct yourself to the one above, which is YouTube, watching YouTube videos. All that you are doing is accessing these videos, as you can see. This looks like a video will open for you. All that is required of you is that you watch this video for 20 seconds. It is a very normal video. Yes, you watch YouTube, you browse YouTube for a period of 20 seconds. The time is up after that. This is how a message appears in front of me, or without a message appearing. He tried me directly. Of course, by the way, the video is again for 3 seconds. He watches 3 seconds. He will also give you your money and so on for the rest of the videos. I'm just trying to explain the site to you briefly. As long as the video is not long, this is regarding the method of making money from the site. After that, you have something called letters. Letters. Very simple things that you read and you come out of them. Oh God, may God bless the messenger of God. Words like tasks with your hands come out of them. A ruble in your hand is a ruble coin, and you withdraw on Payeer. Of course, I advise you that when you come to withdraw, you withdraw starting from 5 rubles, meaning that the amount will be heard with you in your Payeer account, so that the amount will be heard with you on your Payeer account. In short, the site does not want to, but the video will be long. You will find the registration link in the video description. In the first comment, the site is installed well. There are people who have worked on it and people who have made profits from it again. These are withdrawals. All of these are proofs of withdrawal from the site. 11 rubles and 16 rubles. 236 rubles on PayPal and on ADD Cash. All of them are withdrawals, and as you can see, their tobacco is 17.7 and 17.7. All of these transactions happen today, and withdrawals happen today too. In order to show you the withdrawal that we are making, I will enter this amount and choose the payer. Of course, I have the payer number registered, and I will move this to the right, like that. After that, I click on withdraw. The amount has been sent to my account, and if we return, this is what you will find for payout. This is my amount. I register the 22 rubles. This is my ID, 153. This is my payer account, so you don't have to check again. 153, the personal account, is the operation history account. Payout 153, 2,204 means the payment proofs that appear in front of you are proofs. The payment is real, and also guys, to be sure, I entered my Payeer account. It is July 17, 23, 2084 rubles. Proof of withdrawal from the site. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will see you, God willing, in a new episode. Thank you. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you.